Hey guys, welcome to Living Irving. In today's video, I'm super excited to be doing a first impression video on this TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
So if you're dealing with traction alopecia, fine thin hair, balding edges, then this video is for you. Let's go. Okay, so it is hair wash day and I am all washed and clean, super hydrated, and this is what my curls are currently looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and hydrate my hair. So this is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and it looks like this. It smells really good, and I'm going to saturate my hair with it, and I'm going to sit up under the dryer for 15 minutes. So this is what we're looking like in the back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sit up under the hair dryer for 15-20 minutes and rinse this out, and we are going to see what the curls are looking like. This is what my hair is looking like after sitting under the dryer for 15 minutes, and it feels good and hydrated. So now I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Conditioner, one of my hands down faves, and this is just going to give me some extra moisture in my hair. And look how easy it is to comb through. All the tangles are out of my hair. Now I'm going to go in with the TGIN Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer. I'm going to go in lightly with this. This is what it looks like. Smells like mango, oh my gosh. But I'm going to go in with just a little bit because I don't want the hair to be too weighed down, but that's about as much of that product that I want to put on my hair, because I do want some body because I have fine thin hair. And so we're going to style it and we'll come back with a final look.
Sexy mama with